and welcome to Leon's Lock Pad. It's part 2 of the ABUS padlock challenge lock, I should say. As you can see, 5 pins, 1 core plug. Give it a little bit of a polish. This one looks like it's got freckles. Few people think maybe I grinded this down. I didn't need to. As you can just see there, you can see the other plug for the shackle. All I did was got a file and I just gently cleaned it up with a file, a really fine file, the ones that I used for making pins, and I could just faintly see the plugs. So I just got a centre tap and tapped them as it pushed it down, located them, and then drilled them out. But yeah, I did not need to use the grinder on that at all. They're exactly the same on both sides. There's no material really took off. It was just a file. It works perfectly fine, nice and smooth, as you can see. There's a bit in. Use homemade tension wrench. Bottom of the keyway and south of medium hook. You know, I bought 6 of these off eBay, so they're all identical. You know, keyed the same. And I've picked one of the other ones, and I picked it fairly quickly, less than a minute. But I should know the difference for this one. Should be a lot different to pick and challenging, hopefully. So I'll try the other hook. Seems to get a bit better feel with this. No, it felt like a bit of click then. Little tiny felt set. Oh, I've overset that. One. Oh, a deeper fault set now. Just come back again. Nearly pushed out the wrench then. I'll have to reset that. Change me to a smaller hook. And there we go. It was a tricky one, that one. It's definitely longer than the other one, so I've definitely done something right inside to make it a bit difficult. I'm going to I'm going to gut it now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to fasten it back up to gut it. I'm going to take out the pin retainer, the plug retainer screw first. And then I'm going to get the key. And then I'm going to give it a tap. Just 1 second. I have to pull on it slightly and got it to come out. There we go. I'll just put this down. We've got a spool that's fell out there. Right, let me just get the tweezers out and I'll show you. Where is he? There he is. Ah. Thought I'd lost them all, but I hadn't. Right. Sorry about that. Let me just take the rest of the plugs out. Sorry about not very good visually then. Nearly done. Sorry about this. Last plug to go. There we go. I've got my torch. As you see, if you can do, I have threaded 1, 2. Oh no, sorry, they're all threaded. It's the other way around. Inside, I don't think you can see that where the springs are, but I've actual threaded all the way to the bottom. 1, 3, and 4 are pinned all the way at the bottom. Sorry, I've put thread all the way through. The core itself, you can see 1, 3, and 4. I've tapped, and it's the same as the body where I've tapped them for the actual grub screws. I've actually tapped 1, 3, and 4 all the way to the end. And the pins themselves, let's see if I can pick one up and we can get it to focus. They were all standard spools. And if you can see, I've put a serrate on both ends. And I'll grab another one. That's a standard one. Now I put 2 deep serrates and one of the key pins. See them tiny little serrates on either end. Number 3 pin. Very little tiny serrate on the bottom of that. And there's another spool. If you look at the bottom and the top, there's 2 little serrates. And that's it really, that's all I really changed to it. And it seems to be working absolutely fine. But what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to put it all back together again. And I've got a challenge idea coming up. I'm going to do a video of that soon, and this ABUS will be the prize of that challenge. So anybody wants it. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, Bye.